Hello, to create a dashboard using Suadeo AI, you can use the text box on the home page. We will provide context to indicate to Suadeo AI which data should be used in our dashboard. To do this, we will ask Suadeo AI what HR data is available in the Suadeo catalog. Once the documented list has been provided, it is possible to analyze the items available in the catalog. It is also possible to open the user data in a new tab, create a new dashboard, create a report, and, most importantly, create an AI dashboard. In our case, we will click on New AI Dashboard on the SIRH user data. In the window that opens, you can write a prompt defining the components to be positioned in the dashboard. Then click on Save to start creating the dashboard. In our case, we request the creation of 3 components, including a bar chart of the number of employees per position, a detail grid with the employees' last names, first names, positions, and hire dates, and finally a line chart showing the number of employee hires per year. Once the dashboard has been created, a message indicates that it is ready to be opened. When we open the dashboard, we can see that the prompt has been followed and that the components have been created as requested. From then on, if necessary, it is possible to modify the dashboard like a classic dashboard by adding components, modifying the display of components and metrics, or adding calculated fields. Once the various changes have been made, you can save the dashboard to view or modify it later. Thank you for watching this video.